Traditional homes are not built to last. Wood rots, insects eat it. They need a lot of repairs and maintenance. When you're building a Geoship, you're actually building a giant monolithic structure that's basically like you're living in a giant rock. And all of our parts are seamed together with the georock to form this monolithic structure. And this is a structure that's going to be standing for hundreds of years. It's going to require very little maintenance compared to a traditional home, and it's going to perform significantly better than a traditional home. When you're constructing a traditional house, you have to use a significant number of materials you're getting from a very complex network of supply chain. You're sourcing these wood studs, you're then installing insulation, a vapor barrier, exterior siding, you're putting drywall on the inside of the house, and you have to apply a lot of finishing work to all these materials. You gotta mud them, texture them, paint them. Geoship's bioceramic composites replace that entire building envelope with a single material. It is the frame of the house, it is the insulation, it is the exterior siding, and it is the interior walls that replace the drywalls, and they're all delivered to the job site completely finished in the color you want without any additional labor required to turn them into a finished product. That's 4 to 5x more cost efficient than building a traditional home out of all these other materials, and it's part of our formula for success on how we're gonna make housing more accessible, affordable, healthy, and climate resilient than any other home on the planet. I would just say simply my favorite thing about being inside a Geoship versus a traditional home is just a feeling you get when you're inside one. It feels expansive, it feels connected, it feels natural, it feels better to be inside.